Hey everybody, this is Chadley at Metalworks. Just had a couple Art Morrison chassis arrive at the shop. Just wanted to give you guys a peek at them. This is a pair of GT Sport chassis, one for a 55 Chevy, one for a 57 Chevy. The main difference between the two is that the top one's running a solid axle and the bottom one is running their IRS setup. IRS setups are really amazing. Just the aesthetics of looking at one, much less how incredible they perform. You can check back with us. We'll be blowing these apart, prepping, painting, and assembling these for the customer. Again, if you have any questions, if you ever thought about getting an Art Morrison chassis, just give the shop a call. We're glad to answer any questions you might have. Again, at 541-341-3372, and you can ask for John and talk directly to him. Thanks for checking in, and we'll talk to everybody soon. Take care.